Tesla Cybertruck delivers art exhibit parts. Tesla has highlighted its use of the Cybertruck to deliver part of an art installation in California, along with a Powerwall 3 and a solar roof used to keep the exhibit lit 24 hours a day. Elder Mother is an interactive art installation by industrial artist Charles Gattican, as housed in Peacock Meadow within San Francisco's Golden Gate Park. As highlighted by the Tesla North America account on X on Thursday, the glowing industrial tree exhibit utilizes a Powerwall 3 and a solar roof to keep its lights on all the time. In addition to powering the installation, Tesla used a Cybertruck to deliver some of the installation's hardware, along with the Powerwall and the solar roof. The Cybertruck delivery seems only fitting, as the tree's trunk features a similar geometric stainless steel look to Tesla's unique electric pickup. The exhibit was created by Gattican at local maker space, the Box Shop, as featured by Tesla. In the video, you can see the Cybertruck with a trailer at the Box Shop as it's loaded up with some components from the installation, as well as the Powerwall 3 and solar roof materials. It also shows brief shots of the hardware being assembled and powered on at the site, along with shots of the vibrant electric tree being played on by kids and displaying its vibrant array of color gradients. Cybertruck delivers Powerwall 3 solar roof to San Francisco's Golden Gate Park to power entwined Elder Mother. According to the San Francisco Parks Alliance, Gattican's installation is a shade-bearing tree that moves with the wind, featuring glowing cubed orbs, or leaves, at the end of its branches. The tree trunk is a 30-foot metal sculpted structure, with the height of the electric canopy standing at about 25 feet. In addition, the installation includes 6 QR codes that users can scan to control the lighting patterns of the tree's leaves, offering an interactive atmosphere that highlights renewability with its use of solar power. The installation is on display until April 28, 2024, in Golden Gate Park's Peacock Meadow. Although Tesla hasn't yet made the next-generation Powerwall 3 available, it has listed the official specs for the hardware on its website, suggesting that its official release may come soon. Despite it not being officially available, Tesla has been quietly installing Powerwall 3 units since at least September. The news also comes just as Tesla has been delivering early Cybertruck units this month, with the automaker offering a limited Foundation Series launch edition of the vehicle following a delivery event on November 30th. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at Teslarati.